Box squat to target. If you want to increase your squat numbers and break through squat plateaus, the box squat can be helpful. It's also an excellent exercise for those learning to back squat. In this box squat variation, we're not sitting down on the box and rocking our weight back. We're using the box as a target to bounce off. Typically, we want the target to be 1 to 2 inches below the point where our thighs are parallel to the floor. I like to use a decline bench for this and position my feet to achieve the depth. But you can use whatever elevated surface you like as long as it gives you the correct depth and support for this exercise. Grip the barbell outside shoulder width, then unrack the bar from the squat rack and set yourself over the target. Actively pull down on the barbell as if you're trying to bend it over your shoulders. This helps to engage the lats and tighten your core muscles. You want to feel that your upper back muscles are engaged as you perform back squats. Breathe in through your nose and deep into your belly. Focus on pushing the belly out to expand 360 degrees. A tree with a broad base is much stronger than a tree with a small one. Set yourself to be strong. Hold your breath as you squat down. You want to keep the weight evenly balanced under your feet during the squat. It's best to focus on feeling the weight evenly balanced under the knuckles of the big toe, the little toe, and the heel of the foot. It's a three-pronged approach. At no point should the heels of the feet lift off the floor during the squat. Keep the feet flat and the weight balanced. From the top, take the knees off lock before sitting the hips back and down to touch the target. Aim to keep the torso as upright as possible as you move in and out of the squat. When performing the back squat, you want the knees to track in line with your toes and not collapse inwards. Use your glutes to abduct the hips and keep the knees tracking in line with the middle toes. After touching the target, focus on fully extending the hips and the knees to stand up straight. Exhale as you stand up. Box squats are best performed in the 1 to 8 rep range. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.